Close your eyes for a moment and ask yourself a simple question. Why do you want to speak English fluently? Is it for confidence? Is it for opportunities? Is it so you can express your thoughts without fear? Whatever your reason is, hold it close to your heart. Because this journey is not about language only. This journey is about becoming a stronger version of yourself. Fluency is not magic. It is not talent. It is a process. And every process becomes easy when you break it into small, simple steps. Today, I will walk with you step by step, slowly, gently, like a friend holding your hand. First, understand this truth. You do not need perfect grammar to speak English. You need courage. You need consistency. You need to start. Most people wait. They wait to become perfect. They wait to learn everything. And in that waiting, they lose years. Do not wait. Start now. Step 1 is listening. Before a child speaks, a child listens. Again and again, every day. You must do the same. Listen to simple English. Listen to short sentences. Listen to slow speech. For example, listen to something like, I am going to the market. Listen carefully. Notice the sound. Notice the rhythm. Do not rush. Just listen. Do this every day, morning, evening, whenever you have time. Even 10 minutes is enough. Consistency is more powerful than intensity. 1 hour, 1 day, and nothing for the next 3 days will not help you. But 15 minutes every day will change you. Now step 2, repeat. When you listen, do not stay silent. Speak with it. Repeat the sentence. I am going to the market. Again, I am going to the market. Do not worry about mistakes. Your tongue is learning. Your brain is adjusting. This is how fluency begins. At first, you will feel strange. You will feel shy. Your voice may shake. But remember, growth always feels uncomfortable. Stay with it. Step 3 is understanding meaning. Do not memorize without understanding. When you hear a sentence, know what it means. For example, she is cooking food. This means she is making food. Simple, clear. Connect English with meaning, not with fear. Now step 4, use small sentences. Many people try to speak big, difficult sentences. They fail. Then they feel embarrassed. Then they stop. Do not do that. Start small. Say, I am tired. Say, I am happy. Say, I like tea. Say, I am learning English. Simple sentences build strong foundations like bricks. 1 brick at a time creates a strong house. Now step 5, speak daily. Even if you are alone, stand in front of a mirror. Look at yourself. Speak, my name is Arsal. I live in Pakistan. I am learning English. Speak slowly. Speak clearly. Do not rush. You may laugh at yourself. That is okay. But do not stop. This is your practice ground. This is your safe place. Step 6 is thinking in English. This is powerful. This is where real change begins. Right now you think in your native language and then translate. That takes time. That creates confusion. Start small. Look at a glass and think, this is a glass. Look at your phone and think, this is my phone. Walk outside and think, the weather is hot. These small thoughts will slowly train your brain. Step 7 is vocabulary. But not difficult vocabulary, useful vocabulary. Words you use every day. For example, eat, drink, go, come, make, take, give. Use them in sentences. I eat food. I drink water. I go to school. I come home. Repeat these again and again. Words become yours when you use them, not when you read them. Step 8 is learning phrases. Phrases make your speech natural. Instead of saying, I am very, very tired, you can say, I am really tired. Instead of saying, I do not understand, you can say, I don't get it. These small changes make a big difference. Step 9 is listening to real conversations, not just lessons. Watch simple videos. Watch people talking. Notice how they speak. Notice how they pause. Notice how they smile while speaking. Language is not only words. It is feeling. It is expression. Step 10 is not being afraid of mistakes. This is the most important step. Fear kills fluency. Mistakes build fluency. When you make a mistake, do not stop. Correct it and move forward. For example, you say, he go to school. Then you realize, he goes to school. Good. You learned something. That mistake made you better. He go'd is real change begins. Do not let people's laughter stop you. People laugh when they do not understand your courage. You are trying. You are growing. That matters. Now, let me tell you something from the heart. Fluency is not about speaking fast. Fluency is about speaking clearly and confidently. You can speak slowly and still be fluent. I am learning English. This is okay. This is powerful. Speed will come with time. Do not chase speed. Chase clarity. Now, step 11. Build daily habits. Make a small routine. Morning, listen for 10 minutes. Afternoon, practice speaking for 10 minutes. Evening, think in English for 10 minutes. This simple routine, if done every day, will transform you. Step 12 is writing. Yes, writing helps speaking. Write small sentences. I woke up early. I ate breakfast. I went to work. Writing organizes your thoughts. It makes speaking easier. Step 13 is conversation. If you have a friend, practice together. Speak simple English. You, how are you? Friend, I am fine. You, what are you doing? Friend, I am studying. Even simple conversations build confidence. If you do not have a partner, talk to yourself. It works. It really works. Step 14 is patience. Do not expect miracles in 1 week. Fluency takes time, but every day you are improving. Think of it like planting the seed. You water it daily. You do not dig it every day to check if it is growing. You trust the process. Step 15 is believing in yourself. Many people quit because they think they cannot do it. That is not true. You learned your first language. You can learn this too. Say to yourself, I can speak English. Say it again. I can speak English. Because what you say to yourself becomes your reality. Now, imagine this. One day you are standing in a room. People are speaking English. And you are not silent anymore. You are not afraid anymore. You are part of the conversation. You are smiling. You are confident. That day will come. But it will not come by waiting. It will come by working step by step. Do not compare yourself with others. Some people learn faster. Some learn slower. That is okay. Your journey is your own. Focus on your progress. Yesterday, you knew 10 words. Today, you know 20. That is growth. And remember, consistency beats motivation. Some days you will not feel like practicing. Do it anyway. Discipline will take you where motivation cannot. Speak every day. Even if it is broken English. Broken English is better than silent English. I go market yesterday. That is okay. You are speaking. Slowly it will become, I went to the market yesterday. Growth is happening. Let me give you a simple example of progress. Day 1, I go school. Day 10, I go to school. Day 30, I go to school every day. Day 60, I go to school every day because I want to learn. See the difference? Step by step, no pressure, just progress. Do not run, walk, but do not stop. Your voice matters. Your thoughts matter. English is just a tool to express them. So, start today, not tomorrow, not next week, today. Speak one sentence, then another, then another. And one day, without realizing, you will be fluent, not perfect, but confident. And confidence is more powerful than perfection. Keep going, keep speaking, keep believing. Your journey has already begun. And when your journey begins, something very quiet, but very powerful, starts changing inside you. At first, you don't notice it. It is not loud. It is not dramatic. It is small. It is subtle, but it is real. One day, you will say a sentence without thinking. Just naturally, I understand. And you will pause for a moment and realize you did not translate. You did not struggle. It just came out. That is your first victory. Do not ignore these small victories. Celebrate them, because fluency not built in one big moment. It is built in hundreds of small moments like this. Now, let's move forward together. You must learn to connect sentences. Speaking fluently is not about speaking one sentence. It is about linking your thoughts. Start with simple connectors. And, but, because. For example, I am tired, but I will work. I am learning English because I want a better future. I like tea, and I like coffee. These small connectors make your speech longer, smoother, more natural. Practice them daily. Now let's go deeper. Start describing your day in English. Keep it simple. I woke up at 7 o'clock. I brushed my teeth. I ate breakfast. I went outside. I talked to my friend. Do this every day, even if your sentences are small, even if they are not perfect. This habit will slowly build your confidence. And then comes a powerful step. Ask yourself questions in English. What am I doing? Why am I learning English? What do I want in life? And then answer those questions. I am learning English to grow. I want to become confident. I want to speak without fear. When you start asking and answering, your mind becomes active in English. This is how fluency grows from inside. Now, listen carefully. There will be days when you feel stuck. Days when you feel like you are not improving. Days when words do not come out. Do not panic. This is part of the process. Learning is not a straight way. Sometimes you move fast. Sometimes you feel slow. But every step counts. On those days, go back to basics. Listen more. Speak small sentences. Do not quit, because quitting is the only real failure. Now, let me tell you something very honest. Many people understand English, but they cannot speak. Why? Because they are afraid of judgment. They think, what if I say something wrong? They think, what if people laugh? Let me ask you something. If a child makes a mistake while learning, do you laugh at that child? No. You smile. You encourage. So why are you so hard on yourself? You are learning. You are allowed to make mistakes. Change your mindset. Instead of saying, I am afraid to speak, say, I am learning to speak. That small change will change everything. Now, let's take another step. Start telling short stories, very simple stories. Yesterday I went to the market. I saw many people. I bought some fruit, then I came home. That's it. Simple, but powerful. Storytelling improves your fluency because it connects ideas. It teaches you flow, and then, slowly you can make your stories longer. Yesterday, I went to the market because I needed fruit. I saw many people and the place was very crowded. I bought apples and bananas. Then I came home and felt happy. See the difference? Step by step. Now, let's talk about pronunciation. Do not try to sound like someone else. Do not try to copy an accent perfectly. Focus on being clear. Say words slowly. Open your mouth. Let the sound come out. For example, not gonna in the beginning. Say going to. Not wanna. Say want to. Clarity first. Style later. Now let me give you a small daily practice. Pick one topic, for example, food. Speak for 1 minute. I like food. I like rice. I eat rice every day. My favorite food is biryani. I eat it with my family. Next day, pick another topic, family. My family is important to me. I love my parents. I spend time with them. This 1 minute practice is very powerful. It builds fluency slowly. Now let's talk about listening again, but this time listen actively. Do not just hear, focus. Listen to a sentence and pause. Repeat it. Try to copy the tone. For example, I will not give up. Say it again. I will not give up. Feel the emotion. Language is not only words, it is feeling. Now here is another important truth. You do not need too many resources. You need discipline. One video, one lesson, one practice, that is enough if you do it daily. Many people collect content. They watch many videos, but they do not practice. That is why they do not improve. Do not collect, apply. Now let's move to confidence. Confidence does not come before speaking. Confidence comes after speaking. You speak first. You feel confident later. So, do not wait to feel ready. Start even when you feel nervous. Your voice may shake. That is okay. Say the sentence anyway. I am learning. I am trying. I will improve. Now, imagine yourself 6 months from today. If you practice daily, if you follow these steps, you will not be the same person. You will understand more. You will speak more. You will feel more confident. But if you do nothing, if you keep waiting, nothing will change. Time will pass anyway. The question is, will you grow with time? Now, let me remind you again. Fluency is not perfection. Even people who speak English every day make mistakes, but they keep speaking.